Hello, welcome to my kitchen. I prepared one different flavor for you today. I will make a walnut dessert. Very delicious sweet. First I start by preparing my sherbet. I put 2 cups of sugar in my pot. I add 2½ glasses of water to it. I put 1 thin slice of lemon and boil it on the stove for 5 minutes and cool it. I boil 125 grams softened butter for our dough. I break 1 egg on it. One tea glass of semolina. 1 teacup thinned walnuts. 1 tablespoon of tahini. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I confuse it with spatula. I will knead with my hand later. I'm adding unum. I knead my dough well. I added 1½ tea glasses of flour. You add controlled. My dough recovered well. We have 1 sweet dough that looks like cookie dough. Light, soft, easy to take shape. I'm starting to shape. I'm getting some small pieces of walnuts. I roll with my hand. We need 1 cup of tea to shape. I crush the dough lightly. I give the wave model with 1 glass. I'm done shaping my dessert. I place it on the tray I greased. 30 in the 180-degree oven that I have preheated, cooking for 40 minutes. Honey cooked first. I pour my cold sherbet on it after the heat is gone. I rest my dessert for 1 hour. Honey ready to serve. I put some powdered pistachios on them. It was very delicious, sweet. The consistency is also good. It was very nice. That's all from me for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in brand new and practical recipes.